This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blades renewal. First, set the wiper arms to their service position by turning the ignition key on, then off, and operating the wiper stalk. Lift the wiper from the screen and press the securing clip. Pull the blade upwards and away from the wiper arm, taking care not to allow the arm to spring back and crack the windscreen. Fit the new blade to the arm by hooking it into position and depressing the clips before locking it into place. The rear wiper simply unclips from the arm. Make sure the new wiper is the right way round before clipping it onto the arm.